Track update as of 10 p.m. PST, June 18th. And 92L is about to become a depression. Let's be honest. Microwave definitely shows a strong core at the bed levels, low levels, as definitely formed LSC at the surface convection is well aligned. It should be a depression in the next 12 hours in the tropical storm Brett very soon after. But not everything is perfect. I mean, it looks like the anticyclone is collapsing again. You have the outflow from the southeastern side of the Tut, ripping right through the system once again. I mean, and this is the thing. I mean, I think the next 36 to 48 hours, conditions ain't going to be that favorable. And then after, hey, it's going to be dealing with even more dry air as it heads towards the I mean, the central Atlantic, possibly even the Caribbean. And a weaker system means the Caribbean, which is going to be very hostile. Um, and that's just the way it is. I mean, let's look at the models, the ZOZ. Wow, the models are way south of earlier models. What this says is a lot of these models say the system is going to be under less favorable conditions. It could be driven more westward, which I think is very possible. But look at the GFS; it's still trying to recurve it, but there's tons of enablers into the Caribbean. Right now, I think I'm going to say it's probably going to be south of my earlier thinking, maybe into the northeastern Caribbean, Puerto Rico, then recurving. But if it's any weaker, it could easily move westward through the Caribbean as a depression or even a wave, or maybe become a tropical storm uh, in the north of the Dominican Republic and Haiti. Um, we'll have to see how all things evolve. GEPS shows westward. I mean, I mean, we'll have to see. But anyway, we got a strong tut. I mean, we could show you water vapor loop of what I'm talking about. Right here is the tut. You got southwesterly shear on the southeastern quadrant right about in here. If the anticyclone can build to the more centered, it would be under a very favorable condition. So I can see why the models want to strengthen it. So also we got another system behind it, which is becoming gaining support in its own right. I mean, it's hard to believe, but it could actually see another system to the east, and the NHC has actually given this system a 1020 for the next 7 days. I mean, which is pretty mind blowing when you think about it. Because we're in mid June. It's right here, south of the Cape Verde Islands. We can show you the GFS through 24 hours. We're going to go the 72 hours. Oh, wow, we got two systems, tropical storm and a tropical depression. And of course, we got our disturbance in the Western Caribbean right here. But I extremely doubt it's going to form. There's a lot of shear. Um, let's go out to 120. Clearly, the GFS is trying to take it more northward. Let's go to 168. Yeah, we'll just have to see how things evolve in the next few days. But, anyways, I mean, we could have two systems in link. Here's the icon. I mean, 120 hours. 144 hours. Yeah. Well, I'm going to forecast slightly to the south where I think, and I think it will get into the Eastern Caribbean, probably threaten Puerto Rico as a strong tropical storm, most likely as of right now. Our second system, I'm going to give it a 30% chance during the next 7 days. I think there's enough model support to support a stronger system. It's potential. It has potential. Our old invest is now no more. Being ripped apart in East Pacific. Oh, that's your tropical update.